Hey folks, your buddy Adam here. I'm here with Honeycat. We also have Sabbath and Sirius roaming around, and we have been testing this. It is a self-cleaning litter box here from the good folks at OneIsAll. Now, I actually had a great opportunity to test this. Amy and I went on several trips for work. We went to San Jose for NVIDIA's GTC. We went to Houston for a store opening, and we even went all the way to Japan. So we had 3 big travel trips, and the cats had to keep an eye on themselves. So in doing that, we were able to test out these litter boxes and see if they cleaned, to see if they still looked good after a month worth of use, to see if they left litter on the ground. Now, the nice thing I can tell you, practically no litter on the ground. That's a big one. Another nice thing is the cats actually liked using them, because there's nothing worse than a cat rejecting its litter box, because they will go anywhere. Also, the fact that it kept the litter clean, and it allowed us to wait several days, a week at a time, between changing litter. That made it much easier for us to travel. We didn't have to have an assistant come in and swap out the litter. So with that being said, we're going to show you the actual use of this self-cleaning in action. We're going to tell you a little bit about it, and we're going to kick it off right now. So folks, let me tell you a little bit more about this. This is winning all of the design awards. Best of 2026 at CES, Best of CES 2026 awards. Yeah, they've just done a great job with innovation awards, design awards, and yeah, when it comes down to it, they've just done a great job of getting something that is rinseable, detachable, and allows for a spotless design that's keeping your kitty cats clean. And folks, for quick reference, we do have some enclosed litter boxes as well. These are a little bit harder to try to clean out. There's a lot of layers. In fact, I don't know exactly how to clean this one out. It's a little more problematic for trying to scoop, change out litter, or anything of the sort. You're really having to get in there, which is a less than prime solution. And with this litter box, not only is it kind of hard to clean, being fairly large, it's also hard to move around, but the cats don't like the small entry, which sometimes they have accidents because they just don't want to get in there. Another huge advantage to OneIsAll is that everything is easy to wipe down. In fact, you're not going inside if you ever did have to wipe the device down, clean it off, anything like that. It's just super convenient to not only install, but if you just wanted to clean it out, wipe it off, and get some dust off of it, very easy to do. What you see is what you get. Now, one of the things I like most is this is 100% cat safe. It detects movement, it detects if cats are around, and it won't start moving if there's a kitty cat in the area. That is nice. It's also got a big wide opening so even big cats like Honeycat and Sabbath can jump in and out, and it's not going to make them nervous or feel enclosed. And I do want to show you that as it's leveling, if a cat approaches, it automatically stops, meaning that your cat isn't going to get pinched. Yeah, it could be mid-process, it'll stop in a safe position and make sure that no kitties are harmed. Isn't that right, Honeycat? Again, folks, it stays stopped until your cat is no longer in the picture, and then it'll start moving again once they leave, making sure your kitty cats don't get pinched. Now, folks, I love the fact that they've got 4 weight sensors in this. It's got 9 motion sensors to make sure that your kitty cats aren't getting pinched when they're trying to go to the restroom. It's got 2 motor monitoring protection sensors, and of course it's got 3 radar sensors. So they've just gone above and beyond with the types of protections they have for your cats. And folks, you can see right there that yellow light means that there's motion. That means there's a cat nearby or some sort of motion in the device. So it will stop and make sure everything is safe. It also means that you're going to say goodbye to scooping. Now, I've got cat allergies, and that scooping is going to make my skin itch and make me feel bad. But not with this. I also love the fact that it is 100% cat safe, and in our testing, it's good for about 14 days of scoop-free activity. So when we did our week-long trips, we came back, and there was no rush, no issues. The Easy Clean system is very nice as well. You can take out the plastic, hose it down with a standard garden hose, and that allows you to clean inside the device, and we love that as well. All right, folks, something very nice about this, you can see we actually dropped a Tootsie Roll inside, and you can see how the litter box automatically clumps the litter. This allows clumps to fall directly into the waste bin, and that 11 liters of capacity means you don't have to clean it out for up to 2 weeks. It's leveling off the litter, so your cats are very comfortable. But yeah, this is something that we've literally used for quite a bit of time. Going through the process, leveling it out, and making it a very nice setup for your kitties. They've just done a great job here. As it continues to level off, it will reset, and it's good for your cats to go next time. And again, they've just done a great job from top to bottom, giving you a device and a design that is perfect and comfortable for your kitties. All right, folks, so if you're looking to elevate your pet's experience and make sure that they're able to go, be safe, and have clean litter every single time, make sure you're not scooping, make sure there's no mess, well, guess what? We got a great product for you, and it's from OneIsAll. So we highly recommend you go check it out, you go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. On behalf of Honeycat, Sabbath, Mr. Sirius, and the crew, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. Goodbye. Go get one.